Second referee, Mr. Lumer Pajarillo, national referee. Let's call on our starting lineup from Our Lady Stags of the San Sebastian College. Let's start off with jersey number 2, their setter, Trisha May Crisostomo. At number 6, Zarina Burbano. Wearing jersey numbers 9, Maria Ara Malyare. At number 13, Jolina Labiano. Wearing jersey number 3, team captain and guest player, Suzanne Roses. And at number 7, guest player, Jeng Boli. Libero number 8, May Denise Crisostomo. Head coach, Mr. Clint Malazzo. Calling on Our Lady Patriots from the De La Salle University in Dasmariñas. Let's start off with jersey number 4, Yari Yonko. At number 6, Mariel Desengaño. Wearing jersey number 8, Monique Tiangco. At number 9, Giselle Bembo. Wearing jersey number 11, Cherry Rose Nunag. And at number 18, guest player, Jennifer Manzano. Libero, number 1, Yumi Yonko. Head coach, Mr. Darwin Campania. The best of luck to both teams.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, pinakilala na po starters para sa magkabilang koponan as we are here at the arena dito po sa San Juan City, Philippines. At dito nyo lang po mabibili itong ating Shakey's 10th anniversary coffee table book. Diretso po kayo dito.
Talagang dyan mo nilagay.
Dito yan. Tatapat na natin sa camera. Meron pong artikulo ang aking partner at ang kanyang kapatid na makikilala nyo rin mamaya, Ivy and Andre Mulya, featured also here in our coffee table book. 10th anniversary, dito nyo lang po makuha yan sa San Juan Arenas. We are ready to get into the action. Basahin ko nga muna. Ano ba sinabi din? Sino ba nagsulat nito? Yan po ang ating mga phonetics. Yan, ating website, v-league.ph. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter. And of course, mga Twitter fans out there, sundan nyo na rin si Andre Mulya at Andre Mulya. Ito si Ivy kasi walang Twitter eh.
Gawa mo ako nuwin ng account. Hinihintay ko lang.
Very good, ha? Okay, ito na pong simula natin. A very new lineup para dito sa kupunan ng Lasal Dasmariñas to start this game as Jolina Labiano immediately attacking there for San Sebastian. Monique Tiangco, Trisha Crisostomo. At si Jolina, ang ganda naman na sagip doon ni Yari Yonko. Long rally, panimula pa lang natin dito, Ivy. Suzanne Roses across. Here's the setup now for Monique Tiangco. Buhay pa rin. Crisostomo nilabanan si Tiangco. Nunag, Tiangco one more time. Mahina na yung kanyang tira doon. And Burbano saves it. Labiano.
Haba ng rally. Nauubusan ka na ng
yan na nga eh. Hindi, tawag nating warm up. Naitawid ni Labiano.
It's over.
Yonko now. Sabi ni Monique, pagod na ako. Okay.
Free ball. Back row, kay
Ayun.
Last touch from Lasal.
Unang puntos pa lang po yan. Isipin natin kung lahat ng puntos ganyan katagal lalaroin. Abutin tayo ng Christmas dito.
Gano'ng katagal kaya yung rally na yun?
That felt almost like a minute, actually. Pero unang puntos nga napunta rito sa kupunan ng San Sebastian.
At dito sa San Sebastian, we can see wala pa rin si Soltones still sitting out this game.
Right, she still has that sprained ankle. Here's the attack by Labiano. Yonko colliding there. At eto ngayon. Sipag talaga. Tahaba ng mga points dito. Nuna keeping it alive. Yumi Yonko setting up Monique Tiangco. Boli. Crisostomo. Labiano. Nanggigil na.
Sends that outside. So we're 1-all.
And if you're wondering bakit wala rito si Chi Saet to start the game para sa Lasal Dasmariñas, we will have a report later on from Andre Mulya. In the meantime, if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. So yung kanilang starting setter is Mariel Desengaño. And she is serving right now. 1-all.
Good serve.
Good dig as well by Burbano. Boli dug up there. Nunag at saka ito.
Communication.
Yes. Actually, second ball na yon, Ivy. So, dapat umatras na dapat si Nunag at that point.
Actually, mataas naman yung dating ng bole. So, may time, may pagkakataon para umatras nung sinunag para makuha ng setter yung second ball.
Process serving. Desaganyo now, setting up Cherry Rose Nunag. Back set down. Zarina Barbano. Yongko ngayon para kay Monique Chancot. Off-hit, off-speed na miss-hit. Nakapuntos pa rin. Tandaan natin si Monique Chanco. If you didn't know already, is playing already in her third school in her Shakey's Big League career.
Sa FEU and then transferred to NU for a short stint.
Right.
And finally found home in De La Salle Dasmariñas.
Yongko with a block point there. Makakasabay pa nga niya lumipat sa NU, si Cherry May Vivas.
Yes.
So 3-2 right now. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V League. Cherry Rose Nunag. Risha Crisostomo. Combination play. Barbano denied again by Yari Yongko.
Good blocking from La Salle. Well, you have the Twin Towers of De La Salle Dasmariñas in front of you. Kaya medyo kailangan konting diskarte rin, of course, sa attack dito sa San Sebastian.
Right, and wala pa nga doon si Nunag sa harapan. That would have been triple towers there. But Nunag is serving. Roses with the reception. Crisostomo back set. Jolina Labiano. Nice one-handed dig there for Yari Yongko. Monique Chanco. Dug up naman by Boli. Labiano. Dinadaan sa lakas. Binuhay pa rin. Desaganyo now for Monique Chanco. Again, parang libero ito si Boli. And another long point.
Malyari with the joust at the net.
Malakas talaga ito si Manzano. Here's Labiano. Finally, dinaan sa butas ng karayom at nakagawa ng puntos.
That was off the block. Matapang din, no? Tangkad. Compare her height with the height of her two blockers.
Alam mo ito si Jolina, napakatapang na hitter yan. In the mold of, you would probably say, Benito. Pero napalakas yung kanyang, or napahina yung kanyang serve, tumama sa net. Parang Joy Benito, di ba? Nagsisimula si Joy Benito. Wala kinakatakutan yon. Yung nga lang, na-injure.
Monique Chanco for the serve.
Crisostomo, finally Boli in front. Nagpakilala kaagad. Dug up by Bembo. Great dig. Manzano, yes!
Drop shot. Nobody from San Sebastian to pick that up.
Ngayon, ito ang magiging problema rito sa La Salle Dasmariñas. Wala si Chisain, arguably one of the best setters in the country. So, paano magiging adjustment nila rito?
Well, you know, the thing about it is kailangan lang naman dito is yung they need to give good first ball para hindi masyado mag-struggle yung kanilang setter. Remember, a setter, if in the right position, will be able to execute better attack or better plays.
And that's exactly what's happening for the Lady Patriots right now as Yari Yongko scores again. 7-3. Apat ang kanilang kalamangan against the Zane Roses and the Lady Stags. Chanco, good serve. And that's gonna be a double touch against Crisostomo. Good start for La Salle Dasmariñas. They're up by 5.